In this video I'll show you how to refund a game on Steam. At the top of Steam, click your profile name and select account details. You can also sign in on the Steam website and open account details the same way. On the account details page, select View Purchase History next to your wallet balance. Find and select the game you want to refund, then click I would like a refund. Choose I'd like to request a refund, then scroll down to see the game details and your playtime. To qualify for an automatic refund, you must request it within 14 days of purchase and have less than 2 hours of playtime. Even if you don't meet these requirements, you can still submit a request. Below the game, you'll see the refund amount and where the money will go, usually your Steam wallet, but sometimes you can select another payment method. Open the Reason menu and choose why you want a refund. If you're unsure, It's not fun is a common choice. In the notes box, explain briefly why you're requesting a refund. If you don't meet the usual requirements, be specific about why you deserve a refund. Click Submit Request. Steam will review your request. Refunds to the Steam wallet are usually processed within a few days, other payment methods may take longer. That's it. You now know how to refund a game on Steam. If this helped, please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials.